Hi, welcome you to Game Character Sculpting for Beginner course. In this 10 hours of course, I'll take you through the entire process of character modeling for game. This course has been divided into 9 sections. In the first and second sections, you will be learning base mesh creation in Maya. By the end of these 2 sections, you are going to know a lot of modeling techniques in Maya. The third section is cloth modeling in Marvelous Designer. If you don't know, Marvelous Designer is a very powerful cloth simulation software. In the fourth section, I have covered ZBrush basics. This section is for them who doesn't have touched ZBrush yet. And in the fifth section, I have sculpted the character body. By the end of this section, you are going to know a lot of character sculpting techniques inside ZBrush. Sixth section is cloth sculpting in ZBrush. By the end of this section, you are going to know a lot of wrinkle sculpting techniques and seam techniques and how to use projection. In the 7th section, I have done the shoe sculpting. By the end of this section, you are going to know a lot of very cool techniques to create your lace and to create your shoe sole details by alpha techniques and texture techniques. 8th section is all about the cap sculpting. And in the final 9th section, you will be learning hair sculpting methods. After completing this course, you can easily create your own characters for game using these 3 powerful softwares. So with that being said, get enrolled to this course and start learning the step-by-step process of creating character model for game using Maya, ZBrush and Marvelous Designer. This is Jena. I thank you to enrolling to the course and I'll see you in the first lesson.